Hi, IBU Learning here once again with you with some new and useful tutorials. If you receive the model and your model is showing the information like plan, section elevation or other thing is missing. Mainly for the plans, we always see model 3D is showing, okay, and but plan is missing. So here I will show you. If I'll go to open this, I have one file I just earlier used to show how you can remove all the information. Now I am going to for the so this model, I just open this model and here I will show you this model. You can see only showing here 3D, there is no plan, nothing. So some of the people while working, they just try to find how we can get the plans, because model is there, floor plans. If you will select this one, concrete, you will see this is showing level 5, this is level 4. So everything is there, but we cannot find the floor plans. And how you can get it, the question is coming always in mind, how we can get it. So this is very easy, I'll show you here. You can visit IBU Learning YouTube page here to check all the videos regarding Revit, AutoCAD and Tecla structure. You can scroll down to see all the videos, and please subscribe from here for any updates and our upcoming videos. I'll show you here. If I have 3D model here, we will go to the menu bar here. This is the menu bar. We are now in the architectural tab. Now we have to go to find the view tab. This is here. You can click on the view tab. In the view tab, we have here flow plan view. Okay, here we have 3D view. You can create the 3D, but here we have plan view. If you will click here, it will pop out the option with the option floor plan, reflected ceiling plan, structural plan, whatever you need, it will show. So now if you have required the floor plans, you will click here. You will see all the floor plans is showing here. So what you will do, if you go to click OK, you can see here it's showing now floor plan and plan level 1 plan it's came. So the same way we will go and we will use the all. For now I will go to control and select all. Okay, whatever the plan is in the model already there, we will select all and I'll click OK. You can see we can get all the plans here. Okay, for this railing model you can check the previous video from the below link, and now you can go to floor plan. Now you can go to section and you can create the sections wherever you want. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.